My name is Bill Kramer. I'm the chief of the Alaska Smokejumpers, and I've been smoke jumper for the BLM since 1990, and I've been chief of the Alaska base since 2008. So this will be my 15th season as the smoke jumper chief. The aircraft are primarily intended for initial attack missions. We contract for 2-8s and 2 Casa 212s. That's our base lineup, and then we expand and contract as needed. We operate the third largest paracargo operation in the world. We're behind the U.S. military and the Russian military, and aside from that, no one drops more pounds per year than the Alaska Smokejumpers. The paracargo is a really efficient way to get stuff from point A to point B. The cargo is palletized, it's delivered on site, and can leave our warehouse and be in the field in less than 2 hours. And so process-wise, a fire will identify their needs and submit their supply and equipment order, and they'll prioritize those orders. That orders will come through our regular dispatch system, and the warehouse is a big part of our success. They bring the stuff over, we package it into a configuration that we can paracargo it. So this here's a good example. You've got a pallet of pumps and hose that's going to go out to a fire. The warehouse has delivered that. The paracargo personnel is going to package that into palletized cargo. That'll be palletized, put on one of the Casa aircraft, and delivered later today. You can notice on the Casas, they've got a rear ramp capability. We can put up to 4 pallets on board a Casa. Typically it'll be 3 or less. And in 3 passes, you can deliver the equivalent of 4,000 to 5,000 pounds of supplies. In our busiest years, can do up to 1 million pounds of paracargo of supplies delivered. All those supplies will come through this ramp and be loaded onto the aircraft by our personnel, and then will be deployed on incidents. You know, Alaska is a very large geographical area. There's very few road systems, and probably the chief advantage on the paracargo is just the speed with the fixed wing and the cost savings versus other options. So it's both time and money is the primary advantage of paracargo. Paracargo allows us to rapidly put materials and supplies on the ground. If you don't have logistics handled in Alaska, you can't get your firefighters water or food or supplies, then nothing else really matters. So the logistics in Alaska is the #1 problem to solve.